It's that time again, it's the holidays, and what I absolutely love about this time of year is gifting, and especially when it comes to something that's homemade. Now, as a baker, of course, that's going to be cakes and biscuits, and in this quick little video I'm just going to show you how I package up my iced biscuits and put them out in the post so that they don't get damaged and they arrive beautifully packaged. So I'll use things like the foam pads that you have for sugar flowers. These are brilliant shock absorbers. I'll use shredded card and paper and bubble wrap. And then I have these heavy duty boxes that are really nice and deep, so about 2 inches deep, and this just allows me to put a lot of packaging in before I add my iced biscuits. Now I'll put the bubble wrap underneath my shredded paper. That will help absorb any of the shock of the delivery process, and then I can kind of pack this in with my shredded paper. And then I get these really big acetate bags, and then I can put my cookies in and fold it over a few times so it keeps the cookies nice and fresh, but also gives me again a little bit of extra packaging, but also when the person receives their cookies they can see exactly what's inside, so it just looks really beautiful too. Now I kind of move my cookies around a little bit like a jigsaw, make sure they fit really nicely together, look really beautiful when you open them, but also kind of hold each other in place, so again they're just not moving around too much in the shipping process. And make sure you leave your icing to set up for about 4 to 6 hours as well, so you don't destroy any of that work you've just done. So I kind of will take the back of the acetate bag, I'll fold it and start to slide it underneath my biscuits, as you can see here, just keeping everything really flat. And then because I have this extra acetate left over, I can now fold this over the top of my cookies. So again, just kind of moving my biscuits around a little bit so that they look really lovely and not sit on top of each other. And then I can fold that over and put a little bit of tape. So I'll just use things like washi tape or normal sellotape. And then you'll see this should fit really nicely into the box. I'll get some tissue paper and I'll kind of put this into the side as well. Again, just to add a little bit more extra support and protection to the side of the box. You're kind of looking at the weak spots of these boxes, and it's always going to be the sides and the front and the back. And then I have this foam card, and I've just cut this down. This I think I just picked up from packaging that was sent to me. So when you get packaging, just hold on to all the things that could be used for your shipping needs. And then I'll just put my box down and add a little bit more tissue paper just to the front, just to protect every area of that box. But really now, those biscuits shouldn't move around. Now, if you'd like a tutorial in how I made these particular biscuits, subscribe and hit the notification button because that will be up very soon. But in the meantime, happy holidays.